Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make Ovaltine ice cream, right? Easy recipe. I'm using 3 ingredients. So in my mixing bowl I already have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. This is my mixing bowl. I like to put it in the fridge for a few minutes before I start the process. You get a better results. And I also put this part of my mixer with the bowl in the fridge to get that chilled before I start. So I'm just going to blend this and get the whipping cream to be nice and stiff. So here I go. I'm gradually going to add half a cup of this is condensed milk I'm using here. And I'll continue to blend. Now I'm going to add just 3/4 cups of Ovaltine powder. Okay, so here's my mixture all done. As you can see here, it's nice and stiff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this to a mixing bowl, and I'll show you what I do next. So this is my ice cream in a container. I'll just basically shake it up a bit so it can level off, and I'll cover this and put it in the freezer maybe for about 6 to 8 hours. So here's my ice cream after being in the freezer for about 7 hours. There you have it folks, Ovaltine ice cream with just 3 ingredients. Super easy to make.